On the bright side, at least I get to go to my job. Anyway, Mr. Cat, please report on the incident that I've been caught up in.
Well, Mr. Dog, it appears that you and the entire...
Sorry, sneaky fart.
Yes, well, anyway, the whole world is being attacked by punchable beans. We are sending Mr. Dog out to find the culprit, as he was the very first man.
Wait a second, how would you know the whole world is being attacked? There hasn't been any other news coverage by that. You're one of the bean workers, aren't you?
Cue the epic fight.
Whee!
Yeah, so basically I won the fight and I propped this stupid cat's dead body up in the chair so I can punch him, and now I'm gonna go on an adventure to save the world from the evil Mr. Bean. See, I can just punch him, but he just falls down like a stupid cat. He's dead, that's why. Whether I go to the Bean Castle or not, it's not gonna matter because I'm gonna go anyways. I just thought it'd be kind of funny. And if comments are turned off, get bent. But basically, yeah, I'm gonna go to the Bean Castle. That's my clue.
Burn.
You will never make it to the Bean Castle because I'll take off your balls, you stupid dog. I'll neuter you. I'll lose your balls, and it'll be Dog Man with no balls tries to beat Beans. And everybody knows you can't defeat Beans without balls.
Burn.
So it's the police. Congratulations. You did it, Mr. Dog Man, Dog. You saved the world by stopping the evil Mr. Bean.
Yes.
Thank you for doing this.
I did it. That's it. That's the end. Go home. I saved the world from beans. Out to juice.
I'm still dead. He shot me during that fight. I've been shot.